Royal Caribbean has just announced that it has dropped COVID-19 testing, pre-testing before you travel on their cruise ships. I know, I was pretty excited about the news too, but not for everyone. Let's take a look. Right Recipe for Travel family, welcome back to the show. It's Cynthia, your host. Whoops, let me get this straight. Have you heard the news? Royal Caribbean has dropped pre-cruise testing. Well, they've dropped it for some, so let's get into it. Royal Caribbean just announced today, and I will put the information from their website up here on the screen, that effective August 8th, if you are fully vaccinated and your cruise is 5 days or less, you will no longer need to do pre-cruise testing. So yes, that does mean if you're not vaccinated, you will still need to test. And it also means if you are vaccinated and your cruise is more than 6 days, 6 days or longer, still right now, you'll still need to test. But this is definitely moving forward in the right direction for the cruise industry. So once again, Royal Caribbean is stating directly right here on their website that effective August 8th, if you are a vaccinated passenger and your cruise is 5 days or less, you will no longer need to do the COVID pre-test. Okay, let me say it right. You will no longer need to test for the presence of COVID-19 prior to your cruise, beginning August 8th. And looking at this information right here from the website for Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, it looks very suspicious, like they are leaning toward making cruising available for all passengers, vaccinated or unvaccinated. Of course, it doesn't explicitly say that, but from the language right here, I am gathering that they are working toward getting cruising available for unvaccinated passengers as well. It doesn't say that here, but it does look suspiciously like they're leaning in that direction. All right, this was just a quick cruise news update. I am looking at this daily to see who is the next cruise line to make a statement to come out with their change. And if you don't even know what I'm talking about, check out the video that we created just last week on the updated news that the CDC dropped just last week. I will keep looking for the news and information and certainly deliver that to you. So what are your thoughts on this? Are you cruising on Royal Caribbean anytime soon? Have you just gotten off of a Royal Caribbean ship? What about you cruisers out there who are not on Royal? Who do you think will be the next one to come out with their statement? I will definitely keep you informed. Thanks a lot, Right Recipe for Travel family. And of course, please do us a favor and mash down on that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel and join the Right Recipe for Travel family. And here's a shameless plug. Merchandise is coming soon. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like what you see in our content, and mash down on that notification bell. That way you will be notified when we drop a new video. All right, you have it. The latest news, cruise news from Royal Caribbean. Thanks a lot, family. I'll catch you on the next adventure.